Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I bring you another fantastic recipe from my land, Busiate con pesto alla siciliana. We need 500 gram of tomatoes, 50 gram of pecorino, 150 gram of ricotta, 1 piece of garlic, 50 gram of almonds, Busiate. The Busiate are a very traditional Sicilian pasta. Usually it's a fresh pasta, this is a dried pasta. It's not easy to find it. Eventually you can replace it with penne or even spaghetti. Why not? Let's cut the garlic in half. Let's remove the core. Let's put our tomatoes in this way. And let's do 2 little cuts at the base, like this. The water is boiling. Let's put our tomatoes in the water. This it will take about 1 minute, not more. We also have prepared a bowl with cold water. In a few seconds we are going to move our tomatoes from the hot water into the cold water. In this way it will be much easier to remove the skin. After 1 minute we can remove our tomatoes and we put them in the cold water. Our tomatoes. Look how easy it is. Perfectly peeled. We can cut them in half. In quarter. And we can remove the seed and the green part. And this is the final result of our tomatoes cleaned. Let's heat a pan and let's toast our almonds. All our ingredients are ready. We can make our pesto alla siciliana. But first, tomatoes, our almonds, the 2 pieces of garlic, the ricotta, Pecotino cheese, a bit of olive oil, a bit of salt, black pepper. And this is our pesto alla siciliana. Water is boiling. Salt. And our busiate. Let's heat a pan. Let's put a bit of our pesto alla siciliana. And let's saute our pasta in the pesto. These are my busiate with pesto alla siciliana. I don't have much more to say, just if you like the video, subscribe, put a like and try it at home. Buon appetito! Taste of Sicily. Ciao!